Account information. Once logging into your AllSeated account, you will be presented with the first dashboard page, the Events Management page. Located in the top right-hand corner, you will find several additional tabs to select. First, the Events tab will transport you back to the Event Management page no matter where you are in the platform. Next, the Account tab holds administration information about your account. Lastly, you will find a tab labeled with your name. By selecting this tab, you will be able to update your personal profile, change your password, and log out of your account. In this tutorial, we will be reviewing the Account tab. Once selecting this tab, you first see the profile for your business you are representing. The profile allows AllSeated users to view information about your business. Build your company profile by including information about who you are, what you do, as well as your business contact information. Your profile page is public so other vendors can easily search for you or your business. Please review the How to Create a Profile Page tutorial. Within the left-hand side, select the User tab. Here is where you can manage the users for your account. You can have an unlimited number of users within your AllSeated account. However, only admins are able to add, edit, or delete other users from the account. You are welcome to have multiple admins on your account. To add a user, simply select Add User. From the pop-up window, select whether this user will be a user or admin. Add their email address, provide their first and last name, and select Send Invite. An email from AllSeated will be sent to the email you supplied for the user to then sign into the AllSeated account with login credentials they create. Please note that only one email can be linked to one AllSeated account. Please contact support@allseated.com with any questions regarding adding or adjusting users. The next tab located on the left-hand side is Default Permissions. These are the permissions that come into play with vendors and host collaborators within your event. Please review the collaboration tutorial for more information on permissions and adding in external collaborators within an event. Next, the Billing tab allows you to see what subscription plan you have with how many events you have subscribed to, as well as how many events you have used and how many events are remaining in the annual subscription. And lastly, you can change the language to whichever best suits your needs with the options between English and German.